Follow the steps below to set up an automated marketing system using the Facebook platform. Step number 1. Using your keywords, find high engagement content using BuzzSumo or some other tools. Watch video 9 again and follow the instructions all the way up to step 3. Skip the hashtag part. All steps are exactly the same. Step number 2. Use your keywords to find Facebook pages and groups in your niche. Once you've loaded your Facebook page with curated content, the next step is for you to find Facebook pages and groups that are interested in your niche. Step number 3. Engage with other niche-related Facebook pages and groups. Go to those Facebook pages and groups and like stuff, comment, and share your reactions. You're not dropping any links at this point. You just want to be seen as an active member of the community. After about a couple of weeks actively engaging with people and getting them to like your comments, you should then start to drop links to your Facebook page posts. These posts feature third-party content that has been curated. Step number 4. Drop your site's links from time to time and keep the engagement posts going. It's important to make sure that you do not abandon the Facebook pages and groups that you are tracking. These are all directly related to your niche. You have to keep up your engagement with them and still be an active part of the community. But from time to time, share links from your page. The strategy here is to get people to notice this content. If they like the content, they can click through to your page. If they notice that they like the content on your page, they can then like your page. Your end goal is to grow the amount of likes your page gets. Considering the fact that Facebook is actively reducing the influence of pages, you have your work cut out for you. However, if you do this right, you can build a solid and loyal following of niche fans using this technique. ClickBank marketing can lead to success. You can make a tremendous amount of money using ClickBank marketing. However, you have to have a system. Not only do you have to have the right niche selection process, you also have to have the right system when it comes to generating content. Not any old piece of content will do. Just because you think a piece of content is hot, it doesn't automatically mean that your target audience members will share your opinion. You have to do this the right way. You have to build a system. Follow the tips that I have outlined in this training and fine-tune them to fit your particular set of circumstances. With enough attention to detail and enough effort, you will be able to create a system that will enable you to make money off ClickBank marketing.